Guys, so today I'm going to be showing you 14 different signs for hygiene, so for cleanliness. So I'm going to show you now and let's get started. Alright, so the first sign is going to be bathroom. Make a T and wave your hand back and forth. Bathroom. The next word is urinate. Urinate. Make a P with your fingers. Touch your middle finger to your nose like this. Urinate. Urinate. Or you can just use bathroom for urinate as well. Bowel movement. You just make a B and an M for bowel movement, or with your left hand make a fist with your thumb up. With your right hand, put your thumb in your hand and pull it out. Bowel movement. Clean. Left hand out, right hand over it, and go in a sweeping motion. Clean. Clean. Dirty. Put your hand under your chin, touching it like this, and wave your fingers. Dirty. Dirty. The next is going to be shower. So you're going to put your hand in the air and open your hand like this as if water's coming down and hitting you. Shower. Shower. And then bath or bathe. This can also be the sign for clean your body. Bathe. So make A's, turn them, fingers touching your chest, and go up and down. Bathe or bath. Soap. Left hand out, right hand make a U. Soap. Soap. Brush your hair. So literally you're just going to be brushing your hair. So brush hair. You're going to pretend like you have a brush in your hand. Brush hair. Brush hair. Brush your teeth. Have your pointer finger sticking out. Go right in front of your teeth. Brush teeth. Wash your face. You can just show like washing your face like this, or wash. Make two A's, put them together. Wash. Wash. So wash face, or you can just do this, wash face. Wash hands. So wash hands. Wash hands. So you're going to be like slicing your palms. So wash hands, or you can just do this, like you're really washing your hands. Wash hands. The last two are going to have to do with cutting. So cut hair. So cut hair. So act like you have scissors, like scissors. This is a sign for scissors. So cut hair. Haircut. Cut hair. Cut hair. And the last one is cut nails. So you're going to just put your hand out and pretend like you're using the nail clipper to cut your nails. Alright guys, so I hope you learned some new words today and you can use those with your children or other people as needed. Thank you for watching.